Hello, everyone. This is Mike Berger again with NC Planning, bringing you another daily counsel update. First of all, thank you for tuning in. If you're watching us on YouTube, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe, and feel free to share our videos with others. I wanted to hop on really quickly this afternoon, and I'm working from my home office here. Usually I'm getting better light in my home dining room. So, that's the behind the scenes for you today. But I'm in the middle of some things, and this came up, and I really wanted to just kind of address it because I've had this question a few times. This deals with the PPP loan program, the SBA lending that's going on, as you know, we've been updating about. And when it comes to use of the proceeds, what's really, really crystal clear is that you got to use 75% of those loan proceeds to go towards payroll expenses, right? You're going to pay your people from the Paycheck Protection Program. Makes a lot of sense. But one of the questions we've had more than once now is whether or not bonuses to payroll are includable as wages or payroll expense to your employees, to your folks. And the answer is maybe, right? Generally speaking, bonuses, if they're reasonable, if they're in the regular ordinary course of business, should be includable within the definition of payroll as the statute lays out. Hopefully you're going to be eligible for forgiveness for that. Now, I do raise a caution on this because, and I don't want to be the rain cloud or the pessimist in the room, but I'm suspicious that how those bonuses are done, how they're calculated, whether or not they're in the ordinary course, whether or not they're drastically disproportionate, is going to be scrutinized on the back end, likely for employers when they go to apply for forgiveness. Remember, number one, these are loans, right? They are SBA loans. There are repayment terms. And the borrower, the business owner, you're going to seek a request to be forgiven from having to repay that when we clear COVID, if you complied with the statute and the parameters set forth by the SBA. I'm concerned that if we just give a blanket and say, yeah, bonuses are includable, folks may take that the wrong way. So a word of caution for bonuses: if they are regular, if they're in the ordinary course, and of course reasonable, I think there's a good faith argument that that should be included as payroll and should be considered as a part of forgiveness. However, if you're a borrower, if you're a business owner, and you're trying to meet maximum thresholds, and you're going to gross things up, so to speak, by issuing bonuses that are disproportionate or not supported by history of the business and what you typically do, I think there's probably going to be a problem on that on the back end. Again, this is a little bit unclear because we don't exactly have a loan forgiveness application package to review. That's all still being worked on by the lenders and by the SBA. But I would say, think about bonuses, talk to your advisors about them. Each one is a case-by-case basis. Carefully scrutinize it. Talk to your lender, talk to your attorney, talk to your CPA, and make sure you get some consensus on it before you just move forward and issue those bonuses, anticipating them to be forgiven. Again, thanks for tuning in on Daily Counsel, and we'll talk with you all soon.